You are sitting in your car, you turn up your favorite track, and instead of feeling the music, you just hear a muddy, flat mess that crackles the moment you want some real volume. It is frustrating because you want that premium experience, but you do not have the cash to swap everything at once. You are stuck wondering, should you grab a new head unit to modernize your dash, or is an amplifier the secret to waking up those factory speakers? In this video, I am going to break down which one you should buy first to get the biggest boost for your budget. Watch until the end to see how you can transform your daily drive without overspending. If you have an older vehicle without a passive subwoofer, or you already have a powered subwoofer, the head unit is usually the best first step. Think of it as the brain of your system. If the brain sends a weak, distorted signal, no amp can fix that. Swapping in an aftermarket receiver gives you more than just CarPlay or Android Auto. It provides a much cleaner signal and a superior equalizer. Factory radios often have baked-in EQ settings that cut bass as you turn the volume up to protect cheap speakers. An aftermarket unit gives that control back to you, allowing you to tune the sound perfectly for your cabin. However, if your car is newer and already has a decent screen but lacks punch, an amplifier might be your move. Also, if you are planning to add a passive subwoofer, you will need to add an amp. An amp provides the raw muscle that a head unit cannot match. Even a small 4-channel amp delivers clean, consistent power that prevents speakers from distorting when you are cruising on the highway. It adds depth and clarity, making your music feel three-dimensional. For most budget builds, I recommend the head unit first. It solves multiple problems by adding modern features and improving the source signal. But if you love your current dash and just need more volume and clarity, the amp is your best friend. Both paths lead to better sound, but starting with the right one for your specific car saves you time and money. Remember to subscribe for more car audio tips. And let me know in the comments which upgrade you are planning next. I have also shared Amazon links in the description below for the best deals on budget amps and head units for beginners. So make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching.